Hey y'all, Olivia here. We had a question from Andreana on Facebook about why her outdoor AC unit was suddenly making a loud sound whenever it kicked on. So that could be a couple of things. One is when a unit actually starts to get older, it takes more amps for the compressor to start up, and that can make a loud noise. The other possible thing is that the capacitor could be going bad. So the best thing to do is to get a licensed professional out there to take a look, confirm what's going on, and then get you the right fix. You can also ask them about a compressor saver, which reduces the amount of amps needed for your unit to start up. This is just one of those things that's good to get done proactively so that you don't end up in a reactive situation where you have an AC breakdown and you're having to get that fixed reactively. Any other questions that y'all have about your AC, please let us know. We'd be happy to share our knowledge with you.